रेस्टोरेंट चौहान। यार ये वाला ब्लॉग बहुत ही मज़ेदार होने वाला है क्योंकि हम जा रहे हैं स्टेकेशन पे। ऑफ कोर्स इतने बड़े लॉकडाउन के बाद एक रिलीफ सी ट्रिप तो होनी ही चाहिए। तो हम वैकेशन तो नहीं पर एक स्टेकेशन, यानी कि हम किसी होटल में एक नाइट रहने वाले और फुल टू मज़ा करने वाले, तो वो तो कर ही सकते हैं। एंड आई एम ऑल सेट टू गो OOTD। तो चले अब हमारा व्लॉग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कैसे जा रहे हैं, कितना मज़ा करने वाले हैं, सारा फन शेयर करेंगे। लेट्स गो। So this is how a superior room looks like, and this is some complimentary stuff, I guess. In this room we have a king size bed on which 3 people can sleep, and the interior is so beautiful. And we also have a mini bar which we call as a mini fridge, and there is a docking station, an LED TV with internet connection, free Wi-Fi, and a balcony with loungers. And as you can see this mirror, it is a transparent. We can pull out the curtain from your bathroom. And in bathroom we have emergency telephone. I don't know what kind of emergency we will need, but that's good. Bathrooms of hotels are my favorite place every time. And I'm also showing this cupboard to you. There's nothing, it's empty with a locker. I am really very excited to explore this place. काफ़ी लग्जरियस है ये, आप सबको दिखाएंगे कैसी है ये प्लेस। आप सब भी कभी विजिट करना, ठीक है? देखते हैं कैसा होता है हमारे ये व्लॉग। So here they have provided a shower cap, shampoo, conditioner, lotion, serum and so many stuff, and this cute little soap. So we will get fresh very quickly. If you guys get bored, you can just double tap forward it, and yeah, we are done with getting fresh. So this is the complimentary tea and coffee maker which I have never used before, but we are going to use it now, and let's see. powder milk, tea. There are varieties of teas like sugar-free, lemon tea, green tea, coffee, and so many stuff. I'm going to make coffee. I have never tried this instant tea or instant coffee before. So if you get any chance, you should also try and experience everything that you provided. We are done with our Nescafe coffee. The color is perfect, but no guarantee of taste. I don't know how it will taste. I am all set to go. This is my outfit of the day number 2, and we are heading toward the dinner nearby the resort. We are not going to have it in resort. And before that, I am going to give a 360 angle of this area. It is very spacious and very beautiful. It's evening time, so looks how it looks like. This is villas and suites. As I mentioned, it have 2-3 rooms inside and living room and a kitchen, and there's a parking area. So we are having our dinner over here. It is called as Forest Resort or a Namak restaurant. People comes here to celebrate their birthdays and so many events. This is very beautiful place. We have ordered Maharashtrian food. Sorry for the story. I took it for Instagram, and we are back to the hotel and have a look how posh and luxurious it looks in the night time. And we had many pictures at this time. So see you in morning.
As much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you.
So it's a morning and I'm ready to show you guys the further experience.
We have to check out at 12. रूम की हालत क्या कर रखी है इन लड़कियों ने, देखो ना। नहीं, हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए। देखो ये रूम की हालत क्या कर रखी है। बाप रे बाप। ये सब इसमें डालने हैं क्या? सुनो ना।
यस। अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे साथ में है उनके, यानी कि मेरे दीदी और जीजू के रूम में। आई डोंट नो वो लोग कहाँ पे। सो लेट्स गो। ये होता है जब हम बच्चों के साथ घूमते हैं।
कहाँ पे बड़ा घर बना है उसमें?
प्लीज बच्चों के साथ ना घूमे। अरे अरे मुझे ये देखिए, इनका रूम क्लीन है। वाह,
सब मैंने किया है।
हाँ,
फोटो खींचना है।
मासी के पास आना है, इसे मासी के पास आना है। और ये हमारा छोटू सा शिवू। शिवू
नागिन डांस करी, नागिन डांस करी।
हमें थोड़ी देर बाद मिलना चाहिए। Before coming to this resort, I read some reviews of people and they mentioned to have especially breakfast of this resort, and I know why. You can have a look. There are ample of varieties of breakfast you can have. Ready to dig in? And this is how the inside area of this resort looks like, where the pool and every event happens. And this is the place where we had our breakfast. You can sit at this table or also inside the room. The hotel designs predominantly features Eastern themes with nods to Thai and Balinese architecture, while retaining an internal narrative that celebrates Indian design, culture, and spirits. People can also hire badminton, tennis, and everything nearby that garden. Have a look a size of swimming pool they have. It's such a huge, but unfortunately we are not allowed to step inside as it is a COVID period and it comes under the guidelines. People who are very like go different places to have photo shoot, it's best place to have photo shoots. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you can check out my all the photos I have. And we are here checking out at 12 p.m. Time flies so fast. Here's my family. We are rushing. As I said, time flies so fast. Hope you guys like this video.
Thank you,